Pandas percentage change using group by. Suppose I have the following data frame. And I want to find, for each city and year, what was the percentage change of value compared to the year before. My final data frame would be I tried to use a group in city and then use apply, but it didn't work. It didn't work because I couldn't get the year, and also because this way I was considering that I had all years for all cities, but that is not true. Edit. I'm not very concerned with efficiency, so any solution that solves the problem is valid for me.
Let's try lazy group B. Use PCT_change for the changes in diff to detect year jump. Output.
Although At Kwong's answer is much more elegantly written and concise, I just add another approach using indexing. My approach is faster, as you can see below, run on your DF, but the syntax is not as pretty.